What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I got a DM from one of my Instagram followers, and he said I never showed any Chrysler 300. So if you're interested in a Chrysler 300, you definitely need to stay tuned to this video, because I'm headed to the dealership right now. Let's go. I don't see no 300s yet, but and no, I'm not at Waldorf Dodge today. I'm at the Chrysler Jeep Dodge dealership off 301. So we'll ride the way they go. Older. That's like the one I used to have right there. And I hope those Trackhawks not still up here, man. Oh wait a minute, we do got a couple Trackhawks over here. There go some 300s right there. All right, let's go over here and check out these 300s, man. Let's see what's happening. We're gonna look at them. We're gonna go over there and check out them Trackhawks in a minute. Right now, let's go look at these 300s. These probably all V6s right here. Let's see. There's 2019. 34. Yeah, this is a V6. Still nice. This one right, 20. This is a Touring Sports appearance package. See, this one got the wheels, got the black wheels. Yeah, this one. I like this color too. 32 grand, you can't beat that, and it's open. Yeah. See, these cars, oh, they doesn't have leather though. It has to have the new cloth seats, but it's still nice. I don't care what nobody say. I think the 300 has the best looking interior. That's why. The Charger, that's why they need to update the Charger's interior, because the 300 interior looks really nice. This is real nice. They should have left, I don't really care for this shifter right here. They should have left a regular one in here. But other than that, man, this car's pretty nice, man. I probably would have to get the leather if I was to buy one of these. But this car is nice, man. Surprised they got this car open though. And that's the Pacifica. I like that color. I'm far beyond needing one of these. I had my time in a minivan. I actually had the Old Town and Country one. 2009. I'm trying to see if they got any V8s out here. All these look like the V6s. Yep. All of these 300s look like they all V6s. I mean, which is not a bad deal. I mean, they still nice. This is a Destroyer gray one. I like this. Oh, they call it ceramic gray. Okay. Oh, they don't have an S model out here either. And this black one right here is sweet. This is sweet right here. I like this one. Black. Can't beat that. That looks slick right there. Yeah, that looks sweet. If I was to buy one, I would definitely get this black one right here. Wait, man, look like we got a hellcat out here. Okay. So we got lucky. Came up on a hellcat. Sweet. 2019 hellcat. 75. Yeah, that's sweet right here. Let's see. This is a V6 Charger. me go over here and look at these Trichalks. Oh, no, this is a regular daggone Jeep. Let's see. This right. They don't even have no Trichalks out here. I thought that was a Trichalk right there, but it's not. It's a regular Jeep. Yeah, this is a regular Jeep right here. Yeah, they don't really have nothing on this lot. As you can see, the difference between this lot and let me see. You can see the difference between this lot and the one out Waldorf. They stocked up with Chargers and Hellcats, Scat Packs, but this dealership don't have nothing. I guess they banking on people just ordering them, I guess. I don't know. Let's see what else we got up here. These joints regular right here. See, them just regular, they're just regular V6s. See my man standing out here, he like, what the hell is he doing? Just filming, cuz y'all ain't got nothing out here, bruh. Unfortunately, man, the dealership didn't have a whole lot of Chrysler 300s. I was hoping that they had a V8 Chrysler 300, one with the 5.7 in it, because that's the one that he actually inquired about. And it's hard to find the 300 with the 5.7 in it. I know there's some in the area, but it's very rare that you will find one on that lot. I think they pretty much just order the cars. Once you come in and inquire about one, they probably can either bring one from the other dealership or you know, have it shipped in, because as you saw, they didn't have a whole lot of options out there. They had that one Hellcat, and then they had the those Chrysler 300s. That was pretty much all they really had. And they had a few V6s, but they didn't have a 5.7. And it's actually getting ready to rain like always in DC, because I was going to drive out to another dealership, but it's getting ready to pour down raining, and definitely not about to record in the rain. And my car's making a squeaking noise. It's definitely time to change my brakes. I don't know if y'all can hear that. It's like a little squeaking noise. I was gonna switch out my whole setup, but since I'm thinking about getting a Hellcat, man, I'm not doing anything else to this RT. I'm gonna save all my money so I can get this Hellcat and be done with it. I just don't think it makes sense to put money into this RT when I'm gonna be trading it. Considering the fact that I'm going to be getting me a Hellcat, I was going to switch out my, I was going to get the power stop brakes, the whole kit, but I just don't think it makes sense for me to, you know, put any more money into this RT. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and buy some regular brake pads, just like the ones that come on the car, and just replace them for the meantime, instead of switching out the rotors and the pads. I'm just gonna do the pads only because I think my rotors are okay, but I'm starting to hear my brakes squeaking. They starting to squeak. It's like it's about to pour down raining out here too, bro. So I'm about to go back in the house. It's like it's about to pour down raining for real. Look. Matter of fact, it already started raining. I was about to go out here and holler at my pops, but I don't know now. I think I'm about to take my butt back in the house. But anyway, yeah, so it's definitely time to put some brakes on this car. The power stop, the whole kit costs about maybe $300 to $400 around that range. So I figured I might as well just keep that money in my pocket and, you know, pay down some more bills so I can get ready to get this Hellcat. I'm I'm not getting it right now. It's definitely gonna be a little further down the line, probably a little later in the summer. That's when I'm planning on making the move. If they still got any of those, if they still got those 2018 Hellcats, I might just get one of them joints, for real. But I don't know, man. It's up in the air because, again, the 2020 wide bodies are coming out, but those cars gonna be 70, 75 grand, man. You know what I'm saying? And a lease payment probably is gonna be about $600-700 a month for one of those. So, or I can get a 2019 Hellcat right now, and pay a lot less for one because they trying to get rid of them. But my whole point and my whole purpose of getting a Hellcat is for the damn motor. I don't really care about I care about the outside, how it look, but my main focus is having that 707 horsepower, whether it's a wide body or a regular one that's already out. I still like those, so I ain't real pressed about having a wide body. I mean, it looks cool, and maybe if I just do like a 2-year lease or something like that, then maybe I'll just upgrade to that later. But right now, I think I'm just gonna go with the regular Hellcat. So we'll see. If it's your first time joining my channel, man, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button.